Meaning of FPA.
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 FPA. FPA stands for Function Point Analysis. It is a method used in software engineering to measure the size, complexity and functionality of a software project. FPA takes into account various factors such as inputs, outputs, inquiries, user interfaces and data files to calculate the total number of function points in a software system. This measurement helps in estimating the cost, time and resources required for the development of a software project. FPA can also be used to compare different software systems, assess their quality and identify areas for improvement.